Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Akhil and I'm a product manager here at Appsmith. Today I'll be sharing something we've been working on to use Appsmith in more ways. It's a feature that allows you to embed private Appsmith apps into your legacy applications. The way it works right now is you can only embed public apps. The problem with this approach is anybody with a URL will be able to access your app. With this new feature, you can securely embed private apps into your legacy applications and extend the functionality of your internal apps by using Appsmith. In this video, I'll show three things. I'll configure my Appsmith instance with OIDC credentials. These are the same OIDC credentials I used in my current internal app. The second one is I'll create a new app which is private and I'll embed that app into my parent app. The third step is I will log into my parent app with OIDC and then my child app, which is the Appsmith app, should open up directly. Let's start with step 1, configuring OIDC in Appsmith. I go to admin settings, authentication and click enable on OIDC. I have to fill in these details. I have a Auth0 application created. This is the same application I use in my parent app. I will copy the client ID and client secret from here. And I will get the rest of my URLs from the endpoint section. Copy my OAuth URL. Token URL. User info endpoint. And JWKS URL. Once I've pasted these details, I will save and restart to set up OIDC in my Appsmith instance. Now that OIDC is set up in the instance, I'm going to go create a private app. I have my workspace here and I'm going to add a new app. I'm going to call this private app 1 and I'm going to add a chart widget. Add a sales report. I'm going to deploy this app. As you can see, this is a deployed app. Just to make sure the app is still private, it is not a public app, you won't be able to access this if you're not invited. So this is my private app. I'll go embed this particular app in my parent app. If you go to embed settings here, you'll be able to see a new section. Since my SSO method is OIDC, it's already selected. But if you use SAML or Google OAuth, you can select those as well. Once you select them, you get that URL, copy this URL, and you need to embed this URL into parent app. I have the GitHub repository of my parent app here, and I'm going to update the embed details of this parent app. I go to views, and I go to index. If I click edit here, as you can see, this is a URL that where the embedding happens. I'm going to update the current URL with the new app. I'm also going to change the heading just so we know that it's updated. Okay, I'm going to commit these changes. As you can see, this is the current version of the parent app. Once the changes are deployed, this will turn to Akhil, welcome to Appsmith. Great. The changes we made earlier have been deployed. Now if everything works correctly, as soon as I log into this app, the private Appsmith app should be visible to you. Because I've configured both the Appsmith instance and this parent app with the same OIDC credentials. Now I'm going to log into this parent app. There. As soon as I log in, I can see the child Appsmith app here. Even though it's private, I can seamlessly see the app without me having to double login. This is a great way to bring Appsmith into your organization. You can build new features on Appsmith and embed them securely in your existing applications. This allows you to build new features really quickly without having to migrate all your existing applications to a new framework. So that was a quick video on how to embed private apps in Appsmith. If you'd love to learn more, check out this video on how to set up SSO or how you can upgrade to a business edition.